Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Sam Acevedo here. Let's get ready to paint. So in today's video we are painting the calipers. Wheels are off. I have to prep the surface of the caliper, bag the rotor just to protect it from, I don't want that to get painted. And then we should be good to go. I decided to go with this blue for the calipers. Now I know it's not caliper paint, but it's engine paint. It could withstand up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, so it should be fine. I think it's the same as the brake caliper. I just couldn't find the color that I wanted in that. So this should work fine, and I found this in AutoZone. So I got 2 cans of that. Then what I was thinking was, well, let's protect the paint. Let's put a little bit of clear coat. So I'm going to go with the gloss clear. Again, for the engine. Now, before I put this on, what I was thinking was grabbing one of those like M Sport, stickers or decals, and place it on the caliper, and then coat over it. Now I couldn't find one, so if anyone out there knows of one that I can use that can fit calipers, please comment below. And then what I'll do is I'll just add it after the fact and then just coat it again. Not a big deal. I think this color should look pretty good. I think it's one of the M Sport colors. So to prep the calipers, I picked up a 60 grit sanding block, and I picked this up from AutoZone as well. This should be enough to knock off the surface rust, any debris, any corrosion that's happening, smooth it out a little bit, and prep for the paint so the paint can adhere to the actual metal. So this should be quick and easy. I got the paint, I got the gloss, I got the block, I got a couple bags. I may have to get some tape, but let's prep it. This way we can start with a couple coats. And I'm thinking maybe 3 coats each. So we'll start with the left side, and then I'll do the right side off cam. Again, this is the 2011 335. These are pretty big. I don't know if they had an M Sport version, but if anybody knows, please let me know. So it doesn't look that bad, but we're going to clean it off anyway. I got the block here, and what we're going to do is we're just going to sand it on all sides here, and should look pretty clean. I don't know if this was painted or if that's stock color, but because I would imagine it would be a little darker. So, but anyways, I think the blue will look pretty dope. All right, let's go. All right, here goes. First coat. We're just gonna go nice and even, light, not worried about covering the whole thing. After the third coat, I think it should be done. Okay, so this is 2 coats. It's looking really, really good so far. I'm actually letting it sit for 10 minutes between each coat. It looks like I may just need 1 more coat just to even it out, and then I'll let that dry a little bit, and then I'll add the clear after that, and I'm thinking maybe 2 coats of clear. but it's looking really good. I'm really, I mean, I can't complain. It definitely pops for sure. And I can't wait to take everything off and put the wheel on and see it through the wheel. So let's keep going. Clear coat going on. Last coat. Guys, after 2 hours of painting, they're finally done. Calipers are ready to go. BMW Invasion ready. I think the color pops. This blue that I chose from Duplicolor, fantastic, okay? It pops right through the wheel. I can't wait to change the wheels, maybe to a gunmetal or black. I mean, it's gonna pop regardless. If anybody out there, again, has an M badge or point me to where I can buy the M badge, I want to put it on the caliper and clear coat it. It's going to look fantastic. That wraps it up for this video. Videos coming up, spacers, intercooler, charge pipe, maintenance. I mean, there's a bunch coming. So for now, guys, do me a favor. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll check you guys out on the next one.